Here today, I'm going to show you what to do if you're unfortunate like me and you have a print fail partway through. Here we have our replay Filaprint Blue that's failed at about 7.79mm tall, halfway through the hull of this Benchy. Now, rather than throwing the whole thing away and starting all off from the beginning, we're going to cut this model off at the bottom and just print the top half that we need. This can be done in any slicer and it's easy enough to do. Just minus the model into the bed. Here we're using Cura. And as you can see in this preview, the bottom of the model is completely gone and it's just printing the top half that we need. Here's the part printed in Polyterra's Banana Yellow. It's a lovely colour. Now here we're just using some generic super glue, and the trick for this is, in order to not make the glue visible from the outside, is to go just inside the wall of the material. So not on the actual edge, but just inside the edge. The second top half part that you printed will have an underside to stick to the pre-existing supports. So we're just going to hold it here. And as you can see, we've now got a complete Benchy.